Hi there, students. Kismet. Kismet. Okay, Kismet is an uncountable noun. This is our fate, our destiny. This is what is going to happen to us. Kismet is the force that controls everything that happens in the future and is completely outside our control. Kismet talks about inshallah. It talks about may God's will be done. Yeah? Man proposes and God disposes. Yeah? So our Kismet is what's going to happen to us. That she and I were meant to be together was Kismet. It was preordained in the stars. Yeah, it was something that was fate. Yeah, so you can't change Kismet. It's your destiny. It's your fortune. It's what's going to happen to you. Yeah, Kismet is the force that controls everything, that controls our lives. Yeah, it's the controlling force of the universe. Yeah, you can't go against Kismet because Kismet is inevitable. Notice I'm pronouncing it Kismet with a Z, although I have heard some people pronounce it with an S, Kismet, but I think I much prefer the Kismet idea. Kismet, this is the will of Allah. Yeah, blessed be his name. Is fate and destiny. Yeah, so Kismet, your life is predetermined. Everything is preordained, and you can't go against Kismet. Yeah, this is Kismet is a fatalist way of looking at things. There was even a song called Kismet by Elvis Presley. Have a look at it, Kismet. Yeah? Okay, so your Kismet is your predetermined destiny, your fate. It's something that you just can't avoid. Yeah? So I personally think that life is a mixture of Kismet and the things that we do to change our lives. I think it's a balance between the two things. So let's look at it. Formality. Boof. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but I fear many native speakers are not going to know what it means. Yeah, unless they're Muslims, of course. So I would say use it anywhere. Yeah, it might be a bit unusual, but certainly. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Turkish, from the Ottoman word Kismet, meaning fate or destiny, which itself comes from Arabic, kisma, your destiny, your lot in life. I would certainly be interested for some comments on this from some of our Arabic speakers. Yeah, okay, so your Kismet is your fate. Yeah, it was Kismet that things were going to happen like this. Yeah, nothing could change it. Kismet is unchangeable. It is the fates or the fate of everyone. Everyone has to live according to their Kismet because there is no way of changing it. So don't kick against the bad things in life because this is your Kismet. Okay, so what do you think? Do you believe in self-determination, or do you think that everything is pre-programmed? Yeah, so do you believe in Kismet or not? As I said, I think some things are Kismet, they are just going to happen, and other things I think we probably have control over them. I really like this word. It's a really good word. Yeah, it talks about our destiny, our future, our fate, our lot in life, our predestination. So I think that's probably enough. Yeah, Kismet said it was time for me to stop here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye for now. Kismet.